After the introduction, I would like to present to you about the results of our experiment. The table shows the calibration data obtained by using a blank and 3 standard solutions. The image shown is the graph appeared on the instrument after calibration procedure is carried out. After calibration data is recorded, 3 unknown concentration samples are used to carry out the experiment. 3 readings were taken for each sample, and the table shown shows the average fluoride concentration, which are 0.138 ppm, 0.2803 ppm, and 0.1067 ppm. To determine the type of water for different samples, the experimental data is compared with the literature data. Taking the assumption of the fluoride ions in UNMC lake is mainly made up by the fluoride ions in rainwater. Based on the work of World Health Organization, it shows that the rainwater usually contains 0.1 ppm of fluoride ions. In our results, which is 0.138 ppm, has a little higher value compared to the literature value, but it still lies between the acceptable interval. From this, it can be concluded that the sample A is from the UNMC lake. It has been deduced that the sample B is tap water because it has the highest rating of fluoride ions compared to the other samples, and tap water is usually untreated and contains variety of ions. Whereas sample C is deduced that it is the deionized water. Water must pass through an ion exchange membrane while preparing the ionized water. Some of the fluoride ions may be removed during this process, and it has the lowest value of fluoride ions between the 3 samples. After determining the types of water for the samples, the table now shows another set of recorded data for this experiment, which is the conductivity of different samples in ambient and refrigerated conditions. As we can see that the refrigerated condition samples normally have the lower conductivity compared to the samples in ambient condition.